my video. I wanted to come to you guys very quickly. Good evening for those who are watching it in the evening. I'm filming this in the evening. Good morning, good afternoon for those who are not watching it in the evening. Thanks for clicking on this button. If you're not a subscriber, please click that subscribe button down below and definitely give me a like for this video. I'm going to do an unboxing of JustFab items. So that's what I want to do for you guys very quickly. I don't even remember what I bought. Isn't that bad? But here we go. So I just got this box. Let me tell you, I came downstairs to get something else, and must have been my older son that just like threw this behind the door, and I'm like, what's this? And honey, it was my JustFab stuff. So I was like, wait a minute. So okay, I don't remember this stuff. So I think two of the items are sneakers, and the other are a pair of metallic skinny jeans, which I was kind of hoping to have it before the new year, but that didn't happen. So this is how it looks. And for those of you who don't know what JustFab is an online subscription program for clothing and for shoes and jewelry and other accessories and purses. I buy a lot of my bags from them because I'm able to, you know, just be rough with them and not worry about them getting damaged if they're leather or if they're designer bags. And they're pretty good. They hold up pretty well. I've done a couple of reviews on them, so please definitely check my my channel for some of my reviews. Like some of them are dupes for designer bags that JustFab has, and that's what they do. They copy high-end items and make them at a lower price point. It is $39.95 for the bag. And I mean, for the online subscription, you could definitely extend it where you don't do it every month, which I've definitely done. You're probably going to hear my kids come in, which I'm not stopping filming because I'm doing this right now. So this is the jeans that I got. And then this is the gray sneakers that I got. I don't remember how they look, girl. Honey, help me. Okay. I don't know what was wrong with me that day. They had to be on clearance, but I have a pair of Michael Kors like slip-on sneakers. They're not quite like this. They're black leather. So I don't know. Maybe I was thinking that this would be a good purchase. We'll see how I can style this. This could definitely get ugly very quick because this white can get really scuffed up, so you got to keep it clean so then the shoe looks clean. But this is how it looks. Hope you can see it. It's not creating too much of a glare. And these are flats, and they're silver, which their flats sometimes can hurt because they're narrow, and I hope to God that these are not like that. And if they are, you can always buy some shoe horns at Target or at a shoe store to stretch them out. I think Walmart even has them. But isn't that just so cute? Just a pop of it. So I've got to make sure I stretch these out. I think I got these. Got these at an 8.5. Maybe I should have went a 9. We'll see. There were mixed reviews online about the size of them. So I got this in my regular size, but so stinking cute. Yes. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Definitely please make sure you keep tuning in. Definitely hit that subscribe button so you'll get notified when I upload videos. I try to upload videos weekly, but let me tell you, I am in my post graduate program, and it is starting in the next 2 weeks. And probably when I post this video, it probably will have already started. And so what that means is that I will try to post on Sundays, but I'm going to hold myself to one of my 2018 goals for my channel is that I post at least weekly. I enjoy doing this. I do this as a hobby. I don't get paid. I don't have sponsors. I don't have people sending me free products like all over the place left and right. Like how most of the YouTubers on YouTube has. I do this because I enjoy doing it, and I just would like to put out some positive content and to be a part of the positive community that's happening and occurring on YouTube. All right, guys, thank you so much once again for watching. Definitely leave me some comments down below if you have suggestions or even feedback of maybe other websites that you use. I definitely like Zara as well, but Zara is not high-end. They're very trendy. Some of the stuff is okay, but overall I don't see it as quality stuff, and people go crazy over Zara. But you know, I have a couple of items from Zara, but as well I would make Zara my main staple of clothing because, you know, they go out of style, and the items, and plus the items are overpriced. I'll do that. That's a video for another time, because I think people get crazy on this hype, and they go to, you know, places like Zara online or at the store, and they spend all this money on clothes or shoes that really are not worth the money. And I'll talk about that later, because I got some AliExpress boots online. They are Zara boots. They look just like the boots that Zara was doing when they came in red, black. They had them in yellow and other boots. And Zara wanted like $60 for those boots, and I got them for $33 and some change. Enough said. So keep checking my channel for that, because I'm going to definitely put a video out about that and update you on some tea about that, because you got to save your coins. It's all right if you like to look good and you like to look trendy, but please be smart with your money and be smart consumers, because we should really try to save more than we spend. And I'm really preaching to myself, because I will sometimes forget what my goal is in regards to my financial future, my wealth future, and I, you know, will overspend for stuff that I don't need to. And in 2018, one of my goals is to not do that. Definitely check my channel, because I'm going to be talking about my own personal goals for 2018. I might put up a vision board, and also my goals for this channel. All right, guys, thanks again. I keep saying thank you. Check me out also on Instagram at beauty_by_Goddess Design, and I'll see you real soon. Mwah! Bye!